Hi there, this is Fasi.
And I'm Mike.
Today we're gonna do a comparison between Super Baja Rey and the 5T. Today I dressed up a little bit because the king is here. I'm just kidding.
So yeah, guys, we wanted to show you all the big difference in size and specs between the two. We got this Losi Super Baja Rey. This one's been out for a little while. It is a 8S vehicle. It's a trophy truck. It's set up a little bit differently, or set up quite a bit differently from the 5TE. This one is similar to the Traxxas UDR, meaning that basically the body does not come off. Everything's accessible through the bottom. It does have the functional spare tires. It's got the locked rear axle. So yeah, it drives a lot differently. When a vehicle is set up like that with trailing arms and a rear axle, you can't really bash it as hard as you can like a Mojave or a Max Slash or the 5T, something that's set up for bashing and abuse, basically.
Yeah, let me show you guys the back of it, because this one comes with the original tires, which you can use later on if any of your tires worn out or blew up or something like that, and comes with nice cool accessories, the fire hydrants and the jacks, all that. This is not usable though.
Yeah, it's just scale looks like the UDR. But yeah, it has the King shocks. It's just got the normal big bore shocks on this one. 8S, this one does go 50 miles per hour. I believe it is a 760 kV with a 150 amp Firma ESC.
They come with another body too on this one.
Yeah, they have a King shock.
King shock body.
Yeah. Okay. The blue and
I think they're not like
silver one.
They're not anymore in stock. We just wanted to do the comparison side by side. We did have one in stock.
Really just show the size comparison.
Yep.
But yeah, the 5T, this one comes with a 560 big can motor, and it has the new Firma 250 amp ESC. This one is specifically rated for 12S. You can run it on 8S, but I haven't run this vehicle. I've seen videos of it run. It is pretty sluggish on 8S. The real sweet spot is driving this on 12S. The batteries have not dropped yet, where we should be receiving those soon, unless you guys have your preferred 6S batteries. Those will mount right in. The battery trays are massive on this thing.
All right, as per size, guys, we're gonna go ahead, like put them side by side or put them on top of each other so you guys can see the size difference if you are familiar with the Super Baja Rey. Let's do it. Yeah. Guys, the size is obvious. You guys can see how big difference it is between the Super Baja Rey and 5T.
Yeah, look at the tire size. This thing is crazy big. Yeah. So what's nice about the 5T, I forgot to mention, it does come with a spare tire, and they're Pro-Line Mirage tires. So the typical Pro-Line Mirage, they are belted. So I'm assuming that these are also belted. But it's not super fast anyway, so I don't think it's going to expand that much. But they feel very hard.
It will expand a lot.
They feel pretty stiff. So these are nice.
Yeah, these are not belted.
Yeah, they're not belted. Yeah. So yeah, we'll take a closer look at the 5T. We really just wanted to show the Super Baja Rey as a size comparison.
All right. Yeah, guys, the weight-wise, it's almost 55 pounds.
With the batteries, it's about 55 pounds. With the vehicle just by itself, I believe it's like 52. But yeah,
man, it took a lot for me to bring from downstairs to the up.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's an awkward. It's so big. There's not a lot of places to grab it from. So just trying to pick the thing up, it's a little difficult. I would recommend just having it's a 2-man job. But yeah, let's take a look at the internals.
To unlock it, you guys need to pull these levers to the pull them out, so it can unlock from here. I'm gonna put the body on the side.
Yeah, so we got the giant bore shocks. I'll go ahead and get a close-up video of it, just so you guys can see the size of them. And this is, like I said, the new Firma 250. The layout of this vehicle is really nice. I feel like the weight distribution is really good. The servo on this thing's awesome. It's I think the servo itself is only $140, and it's a 1,000 ounce servo. So it's a super high-end servo. If you guys do want to upgrade it, I believe there's upgrades like Reefs and SDRC. but those are I think the Reefs one's upwards of like $400.
Sorry.
So yeah, so it's a little pricey, but this servo seems to work really well. The layout, like I said, the layout's very nice. There's tons of room. This is mod 1.5 on this vehicle, so if you guys are looking for gearing, make sure you get the proper gearing. One of our guys is already looking into wanting to speed run this thing, and I believe this is a 67 tooth, and you will be able to fit the 5T smaller spur on it. He was looking to just put a spool, make it into a spool, and try to run it as fast as it can go. But yeah, I love the design of this thing. It's very simple, very easy. Everything's spread out. It's kind of like the X-Max. Tons of room to work on the vehicle.
Guys, one question we always get online: how fast they are. When they build them for a good regulatory speed, like 55, 60 miles per hour. After that, it's all your game, like on your research and what modification you guys make to make them faster. We have seen the cars which used to run 60, 70 miles per hour. People have run them over 100 miles per hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
and I just honestly, I feel like it would be irresponsible for Losi to come out with a vehicle this size that was any faster. It's just borderline dangerous at a 55-pound car going over 60 miles per hour. That would be crazy. So yeah, they leave that up to somebody's bound to do a speed run with this thing and hit like 80. But yeah, there's castle systems that you can run. I believe the new Cobra 5 is 12S. They have those massive gray motors now. I think they even have a 560. Yeah, but the castle stuff, I think it's going to put out more power than a Spectrum system. Those are kind of like, they're meant to really push the limits. At that point, I would definitely recommend not using IC5s. Definitely change to like a QS8 plug. Those are 8mm bullets versus a 5mm bullet size on an IC5.
The thing I like about this one, the way they mounted the things, you just have to plug it in instead of like loose wires around.
It's very nice. You don't have wires just moving around all over under the body. It's kind of mounted so nothing shakes, nothing, you're not, the batteries are not going to unplug, but so they don't unplug.
All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. We tried to give as much information as we could collect. The size, a lot of people are asking how long it is. It's almost like 3 feet 6 inches, like almost 42 inches long.
42 inches long, yeah.
And how about the width?
The width, I'm not sure. I'll put it down here in the description.
Sorry about that.
We'll do some measurements. Okay, so today is the release day on this thing. So go ahead, stop by the shop, check it out, pick one up. We do have some 6S batteries, the new 6S batteries on the way. We do have different brand batteries like Gen Z's 6S batteries here for you guys. But yeah, pick one of these up. Let's get it ripping. Let's see the videos posted.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon to let us know like how we are doing. Leave a comment. Thank you.
Thank you.